Bollywood's top stars being quietly sidelined? Why is a respected director like Sujit Sarkar calling them out now? And why is the audience no longer buying what the industry is still selling? This week, director Sujit Sarkar said something the film industry has long whispered but rarely admitted in public. I won't say much about people's entourages or what they charge, but I'm sure of one thing: popular actors will have to lower their fees. If they don't, directors will stop approaching them. It's not just a critique, it's a sign of where the industry is headed and why Bollywood star system is beginning to buckle. For years, actors at the top charged astronomical fees. Studios paid up. Everyone played along, but the returns, not so much. One underwhelming box office results after another. Films with A-list stars are no longer guaranteed hits. In fact, many of them are struggling to break even. So why are they still charging like it's 2012? Because Bollywood has been built on an old assumption. A big name questions, but that formula is breaking down and fast. Audiences have changed. They're tuning in for gripping plots and fresh storytelling, not just familiar faces. OTT platforms have widened their tastes and raised their standards. The myth of the bankable star is dying. What Sujit Sarkar pointed out isn't just about money. It's about value. If a star consumes 60 to 70% of a film's budget, what's left for writers, technicians, post-production? What's left for the story? Directors are being forced to compromise not on creativity, but on economics. And many, like Sarkar, are beginning to walk away from the deal altogether. The bigger picture. This isn't just about a few stars charging too much. It's about an industry out of sync with its own audience. Bollywood is in a transition phase. Those who evolve with it survive. Those who don't fade. What do you think about the stars' fee? Is it justified? Tell us in the comments. This is Deepthi signing off. Watch Famous TV for more such content.